Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Rebel 300. This lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 691 miles. Beautiful condition, liquid cooled, fuel injected, low seat height. Come on by, make your motorcycle dreams come true with this super cool satin black Rebel 300. Price to sell just $44.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.